Hello, I've got a quick and tasty bacon and asparagus pasta recipe for you. You must try it at home. It's absolutely delicious. You'll find the ingredient list in the video description below. Fry diced bacon in a dry pan. When it starts to brown, add asparagus. Cut off the tough ends and set the tips aside for now. Fry everything for about 5 minutes. Add asparagus tips and half a cup of pasta water, then simmer for 3 minutes. Finally, add cooked pasta, mix, and sprinkle with grated parmesan. Our quick, delicious dinner is ready. Find more recipes on my blog. Thanks for watching and see you next time.